So guys, currently there are many people who are planning to buy the iPhone XR, the iPhone XS, the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro. So everybody was kind of hoping for a price drop. Already from last year we are waiting for the price drops in all of the iPhones, whereas now we have entered kind of in the middle of 2020, and after 4 to 5 months Apple is going to be launching the iPhone 12 series. So everybody is having the obvious confusion in their mind that should we buy any of the iPhones right now or should we wait for the iPhone 12 lineup. So guys, in my today's video I'm going to be making you aware regarding everything that is going on, and overall after today's video you will have a clear idea that should you wait for this iPhones or should you buy the existing iPhone lineup. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, currently we are living in the middle of a pandemic where the lockdown has been extended for a couple of more weeks, and if everything will come normal, if the cases will be on a normal scale, then slowly and gradually all of the shops will start reopening. It will not be a sudden process. It will take approximately 1 month for entire nation to be back to business. So guys, when things will be normal, at that time all of the Apple stores have to sell the iPhones. So the only way how they can attract the consumers is by giving different offers and discounts. They might give couple of thousand rupees of cashback, whereas they might even introduce a discount of 3000 to 8000 rupees. So overall they will try to grab your attention and make you buy the new product. So it is again your benefit that you will get slight discount, but the discount will be very minimum. It might be minimum of 3000 rupees or maximum 8000 rupees. So it will not be a drastic discount. So at that time, for this everything to happen, it will take more than 1 month to even 2 months, and after that there will be only 3 months left for the upcoming iPhone 12 series. So my overall conclusion will be you should wait for the iPhone 12 series, just because when these iPhones will be launched, you will have a clear idea that should you buy the iPhone 12 series or should you buy the older iPhones. When the new iPhones will come in the market in the month of September or October, the price tag of the current iPhone lineup will reduce significantly. There will be 10 to 15,000 rupees of price cut in the current iPhone lineup. Let that be the iPhone XR, the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro. In all of the iPhones there is going to be a price drop. It might be of 10,000 rupees or even 15,000 rupees, but a significant price drop is pretty much confirmed. So guys, every year Apple will come with new iPhones. So this doesn't mean that you should buy a new iPhone every year. If you take example of the iPhone XR, which was launched in 2018, or you take example of the current iPhone 11, both of the iPhones are good and they will provide you great performance for minimum 4 years. So in short, it is not at all compulsory that you should buy the latest iPhones. Again, the iPhone 12 series will have a smaller notch, a OLED display and 5G support. And frankly speaking, in the Indian market 5G will not come minimum for more 3 years, whereas in United States 5G will not come for 1 to 2 years. So in short, there is no point at all to buy a 5G smartphone for these couple of years. So guys, with the help of today's video, I wanted to say that you can definitely wait for the iPhone 12 series, because at that time you will get a clear idea that should I buy the iPhone 12 or the 12 mini, or should I buy the older iPhones, because at that time the price tag of the iPhone 11 lineup will be dropped very significantly. So guys, in my today's video I wanted to conclude that always the latest iPhone is definitely better than the previous version, but still the previous version is still so much capable that you will have no problem using it. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this small video, and if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.